and welcome to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how I make my sweet potato wedges. These are perfect, they're quick, they come together in no time. They're really easy, but they're delicious. So let me run you through the list of ingredients. What you're going to need is some sweet potatoes that I cut into little wedges. Well, not little, but they're wedges. You're going to need some olive oil, some dried parsley, some pepper, some salt, and then some chili powder. And then before we get any further, I'm just going to remind you to preheat your oven to 380 degrees. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to take my olive oil and I'm just going to drizzle it in here. I would say about 2 tablespoons or so. Listen, no one is going to judge you if you do more than 2 tablespoons. Then you're going to need the chili powder. And then I just kind of sprinkle it over. I love the combination of the sweet and the spicy. It's so good. You're going to need some salt. And then pepper. Even though you put the chili powder, you still want the pepper in there because it's a little bit of a different spice. And then your dried parsley. Not too much, just a bit. Oops, my spoon won't fit in there. So we're just going to sprinkle it over. Okay. Now I'm going to give this a good stir. Make sure everything is nice and coated. What I sometimes do is I put plastic wrap on top of it and I shake it to coat it, but the plastic wrap won't stick to the aluminum pan thing, like the bowl, so I couldn't do that this time. Oops. But if I do it like with a small dish, if I'm just cooking for one person, I put it in like a small bowl and then I wrap it with some plastic wrap and I just shake. And it coats everything really nicely. All right, I lost a potato, but that's okay. So you're gonna put this on I use aluminum foil. I line my cookie sheet with aluminum foil. You don't have to. You could just spray a little bit of olive oil, or you don't even have to be honest, because you have oil in here. You're gonna put these on your sheet and just make sure they're in a single layer because you want them to kind of roast and get as crispy as you can. So these are going to go into your preheated oven for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to take them out and flip them. And then you're going to take them out after 15 minutes after that. And then I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, so my potatoes were in the oven for about 35 minutes. After 20 minutes or so, I took them out and all I did was take a spatula and I just flipped them. That's it. And then I put them back in for 15 minutes to cook just a little bit longer. And I took them out. So you just want to check them with a fork. See how nice and soft they are? And look at. I don't like them too burnt. I just like them just so. Look at that. Some of them are kind of stuck, but look how lovely the color. Oh, it smells delicious. I'm going to try one because I can't wait. Really soft. Still have like a slight crunch from the skin. Hot. So delicious. So these are just perfect for any night. You can do this as just a meal itself. I do it quite often when I'm in one of my lazy moods. So you can get this recipe plus many others at www.thelazygirlskitchen.com. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.